How does the rattle on a rattlesnake's tail actually make sound? At first, I thought it worked like a shaker, like a maraca filled with tiny beads that collide when you shake it. But that idea turns out to be completely wrong. When you look closely, a rattlesnake's rattle is almost entirely hollow. There are no loose particles inside, nothing rolling around at all. So the sound doesn't come from anything inside the rattle. If you gently pull on it, you'll notice the rattle comes apart into segments. The entire structure is made of multiple hollow sections stacked together. Some rattles can have more than a dozen of these pieces. So where do they come from? Each time a rattlesnake sheds its skin, a new keratin segment is added to the tail. Over time, these segments stack up, making the rattle longer. The key detail is how these pieces connect. They aren't tightly locked together. They're loosely fitted, allowing movement. When a rattlesnake shakes its tail extremely fast, the hollow segments collide, creating